Ê, kẹp bốc trời 350.
Mà rồi nhưng hay thắp bon đang tê tới nó ôn là đây cha ôn con nó ôn cha
What's that? $12 for kg. 15. Need waka latte. Oh, that's nice. Ah. $3. $3. $9 kiwi.
Yeah, I know that.
Do you got it on? $5. Stew. Broccoli, $2.50.
It's what? No?
$3. My, that's nice.
Ayun, meron.
Ooh, Myra, let's just money. Is that 3, 4, 5? Yeah. 3, 4, $5. That's nice. Very nice. I just grabbed ang yan ito. Morning. Get some onion, red onion, and brown onion. Oh, I'll just get only this one because I've got that one. My market guys. For $15. So it's this side and the other side over there. $12. How much for that one? $5. You have to use your leg.
I thought they have escalators.
Guys, he said no escalator. Oh my gosh, I thought there's an escalator there. This is not a mall. Yeah?
That's why I don't use public transport. There's no escalator for me.
Oh my goodness, I thought there's an escalator going down. Oh my goodness, Raymond Kaka.
This is, we are here, Koi.
Oh,
You. We're from Yuli to
Waitemata. Pomat.
used to be
Pitomat.
Tomat.
Pitomat.
So go from here to here.
Is this your first time going on the train?
Yes.
But for me, I think this is the second time. I think it's like how many years ago me and Grace went on the train.
I think it's this side. Because you're going to Pitomat.
Oh.
They changed it to Waitemata now.
Are we supposed to go on top or we stay down here for the train? There's no one, only us. There's no one.
Only Tam and Tama is here.
Really, maybe we are coming in the wrong way. Oh my goodness.
Vacation now, if you come on Saturday.
Why do you need that?
Because you need to shift the
What is it over there? We have to walk all the way. My goodness. Oh, I thought it stops over here, guys. Oh, but it's not. Stop all the freaking way over there. Yeah, mere more we are new on the. Ikaw yari ako. Ikaw yari ako. Yeah?
Does it stop over there?
What's that?
I thought it stopped over here.
Not all the time, no.
Oh.
Oh.
No, no, because that'll be a street change. So sometimes there's 6 and sometimes there's 3. So you always, the idea is that you're always at that end.
Oh.
It's gone now, so you have to wait for another 20 minutes. Yeah. Okay,
Oh
so
my-
the idea is you always stay in that area.
Oh.
Because they can't, because they can't have a 3 carriage all the way round here.
Yeah.
Because they, because they don't do that. They never have.
Oh.
They never have. So it's another 20 minutes.
Southwest line.
Yeah, no. The idea is that me and Nanny we
Oh, they were gone.
Wait.
Whakale train, guys.
Only Tam and Tama is here.
Look at these guys. Huh? Yes. That's nice.
We are now arriving at Avondale.
Kahit ano mo rin yun. Nari. Ay. Change my receipt. Ah.
The next station is Baldwin Avenue.
Fairly see the airport. I can't even hear properly.
We are now arriving at Baldwin Avenue. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform at the station.
So, mga try, winyan ito.
Just want you to stop saying odd shit like you smell a psychosphere or you're in someone's faded memory of a town. Just stop.
The next station is Morningside. We are now arriving at Morningside. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform at the station.
Game repeat.
The next station is Kingston. Change here for buses to Newport Road and possibly Kingston. The next station is Grafton. Change here for buses to Auckland Hospital and universities.
There, I can see the top of the sky seats. Oh, we have to sit in there.
We are now arriving at Grafton. Exit here for Auckland Hospital.
Daddy. There's excavator E. Look. My gosh, look. Look guys, this excavator. Look. And this is new market. There's nothing at New Lin. But look, they have it here. Oh my goodness. Man, that's nice, eh? It's really nice to have it. And it's like both sides. One over this one and one over there. Man, we got nothing at New Lin, but look, it's over here. Oh my gosh, look at the... I think this is our houses, eh? Now we stop at New Market. Oh goodness. Oh, look at that. That's very nice. Oh look, it's over there. Look at that thing, Ben. Swanson Runway. Look at this, the map where the train goes. Now we are here now. Where is it? New Market. Oh, Auckland City Hospital.
Oh, we didn't go to
Waitemata.
You should go on again.
Hey, boy.
Oh, it's gonna be long. Let's go. Let's go on.
Are you sure? Let's go back on. Where are we going? Oh. Now we're going all the way, guys. Where the wall?
The next station is Waitemata, the last stop for the service. This is a naval transfer location for ferries and North Shore buses.
Look at the city over there, guys. I think that's the stadium. Oh yeah, the Spark Arena.
Welcome aboard this Western Line service to Swanson via Newmarket.
Oh, look at that. From there to Vegas. That's the train we came from. Contact this train, guys. Whoops. Yeah, Kang Fui. I think this is the train it's gonna go back to New Lee. Service to Swanson via Newmarket. That means they changed the course there.
Next station is Parnell. We are now arriving at Parnell.
It looks like Glen Eden. Oh no, look at the house over here. It's like old as like Glen Eden. Yeah, because when we marketing kako pas may.
The next station is Newmarket. Change here for more Northern Line trains and buses to Redweir Road and Mungo Road. Newmarket.
Now he's going backwards again.
The next station is Grafton. This is a Western Line service to Swanson.
Really?
We are now arriving at Morningside. Please
Morningside.
mind the gap between the train and the platform at the station.
Before 3 hours. 2024.
My goodness. This is what happened. You never come at the train station. Thank you guys for riding with us. Our first adventure going on the train. How's it? Oh my god there. Nice and moist. Okay. Whoa, look at that one. It's what you call it? Berries, onion, lettuce, tomatoes, cheese. Look at that. It's yummy. Yeah, let me taste it. Nice. And guys, look, the pan is yellow, eh? It's like a yellow pan. Thank you guys for coming with us today. See you next time. Bye.